Hello again. Early cloud and rain on Tuesday quite quickly get replaced by sunny skies, albeit with a keen breeze. But a lot of cloud in the sky on Monday evening, with the clouds spreading in from the west, hill fog, some sea fog as well, and some outbreaks of rain and drizzle. Most of this will be light, but some persistent stuff over western hills, especially western parts of Scotland, will lead to a damp night in these areas. By dawn, however, clearer skies returning into the northwest. Probably not quickly enough to lead to a frost, but some chillier air by here, and 7 to 8 Celsius generally elsewhere. Frost-free night to come for most. Now, the weather fronts very swiftly moved to the southeast during the start of Tuesday. High pressure builds back in, but we're on the periphery of the high, and you can see the isobars are fairly close together there, especially for Scotland and northern England. So a dull and damp start to Tuesday, and those outbreaks of rain lingering for Shetland as well as for parts of England and Wales into late morning. But elsewhere, quite quickly, sunny skies spread their way southeastwards, and by the end of the afternoon, it's only really East Anglia in the southeast where we'll keep the cloudier conditions. Elsewhere, long spells of sunshine, and if you've got some shelter from the wind, 16 or 17 Celsius possible. Southeast Wales and the West Country, for example, 14, maybe even 15 for the Central Belt as well as southern Scotland. But you need to be sheltered from the wind because there'll be this gusty wind, especially for Scotland and northern England. 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts possible over exposed hills and just to the lee of the hills, maybe even 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts for the Grampians. Into Tuesday evening, and the UK remains close to high pressure, and that means it's a clear night for many, but still enough of a breeze and enough cloud for many to lead to a frost-free night. But temperatures lower compared to the previous night, 3 to 7 degrees, and there will be a touch of frost, even some mist and fog patches for Northern Ireland, western parts of England and Wales, where we're closer to the high and where we've got lighter winds. A fine start to the day on Wednesday for many, dry with long spells of sunshine, the best of any sunny skies in the west, cloudy conditions further east, the cloud perhaps thickening up later to bring some patchy rain into East Anglia in particular, but for the vast majority it's looking like a dry day with long spells of sunshine, perhaps not quite as warm as Tuesday, but still 13 or 14 Celsius possible in places, for example Western England as well as central and southern Scotland. Then into the end of the week, it turns colder in the southeast, cloudier in the north, and we'll have a full week ahead forecast on our YouTube channel, as well as more detail on our social media channels. Bye-bye.